Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can throw alley-oop in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a game. So, for example, I'm gonna go to live today, and then once we are here, we're gonna choose a match, for example, this one, and then click on play, wait for it to load, and after you check the teams, go ahead and click on play again. And now the game is loading. It says warming up, so we're gonna wait for it to load. And now we are in the game. So I'm gonna pass the ball. Basically, guys, in order to perform an alley-oop, just make sure to hold sprint, go to the corner, and then pass the ball. And after that, make sure you shoot it. So I'm gonna try to take the ball. I'm gonna try to block him. And as you can see, guys, now I took the ball. I'm gonna sprint, go to the corner, and then pass it and try to goal. So this is, guys, this is how you can perform an alley-oop on NBA Live Mobile. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.